All right, welcome back, mathematicians, for your challenge problem. Here we go. This is from the bridge challenge problem. All right, yes, and this says, this picture shows island circles connected by bridges, which are the lines. To cross a bridge, you must pay a toll in coins. If you start on the island marked with a blue star, how can you make it to the island marked with a red star? So you're going to pick your route. How do you want to get to the red star?
That's right. So you're going to start with the blue star, and those little numbers that you see are the coins that you have to pay. All right. So Mr. Regan, you're trying to get from the blue star to the red star. And so choose your route.
Let's see. I might go this way.
Okay.
Then I might choose to go this way, and I'll choose to go that way.
All right. So now you have to figure out how much toll you need to pay or how many coins you have to pay. So you have to pay 23 coins, then you have to pay 25, then you have to pay 29 coins, then you have to finally pay 24 coins. So you might have to write a problem like this and add those 4 numbers. And grade 2 friends, you guys are expert in adding 4 numbers now, right? So then that would be your answer to how many coins you have to pay. Okay. So you have 4 problems to solve in this challenge when it gets harder as you go.
Yes, let's look at the next one. So our next challenge problem is something very similar, right? So now if you select a path from the blue star to the red star, write down 4 numbers you crossed. How much will you have to pay the toll for this path? And you're going to show your thinking. Okay, how did you get to the red star?
You can cross any path you want. You can go up, you can go down. You choose the route you want, okay? And add up your 4 numbers and figure out the total. So that's the first problem. Second one is a challenge. What is the path you will have to take to pay exactly 100 coins? So you're going to go through the tolls, and you're going to pay 4 tolls every time you go from the blue to the red island, but you need to figure out, you want to pay only 100 coins. So you are going to, on your seesaw, you're going to draw as the path that you took in order to pay 100 coins exactly, okay?
So you might have to try some different routes. You're going to have to try some different numbers. And maybe you might even want to try some of that mental math that we've been doing before, where you kind of count your tens, kind of get an estimate, get close to 100, and then check it by adding those 4 numbers together. A little hint there. Okay. Right. And we have one more problem for you. Here we go.
2 more, Mr. Regan.
Sorry, 2 more, yes.
Okay.
Thank you. And I'm going to go, oh, yes, sorry. Okay. Yeah, so here is adding the only 4 numbers. What is the least expensive way to get from the blue star to the red star? So the cheapest way, the way with the least amount of tolls. Okay, how can you get there?
And the last problem is kind of the opposite. What is the most expensive way to get from the blue star to the red star? So probably, I wonder, are you going to be looking for big numbers or small numbers for expensive way? All right. Okay. And for every problem, those 4 problems, you're going to show your thinking. We want to see your equation and look for tens or make 100 or doubles and show your thinking to practice adding those 4 numbers. All right.
You can do it, mathematicians. Good luck.